Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back with another HackerRank Python video. Today is day number 3. I will be doing the Sparse Arrays challenge. So the problem is that there's a collection of input strings and a collection of query strings. For each query string, determine how many times it occurs in the list of input strings, then return an array of results. So you can see here, strings is A, B, A, B, A, B, C, and the queries is A, B, A, B, C, and B, C. So then how many times does A, B appear in strings? Would be 1, 2. There you go. How many times does A, B, C appear? Only once. And how many times does B, C appear? 0, because the A, B, C doesn't count. So yeah. The input format is the first line contains an integer n, the size of strings list. Each of the next n lines contain a string I. The next line contains q, the size of the queries. Each of the next q lines contains a string query I. So here's the code, and the function accepts the following parameters, and it's expected to return an integer array. So I'm going to start with an empty list to store my results, and then I'm going to loop through queries and start a count at 0, and then I'm going to also loop through the strings, and then if the string pointer equals the query pointer, I'm going to increase the count by 1. Else I'm going to just continue, and then in this loop here I'm going to append the count every time like that, and then because now I'm adding every time it finds the count, I'm adding it to the array, and then I'm just going to return the results array and see if that works. Oh, it worked, lol. Let's see if it passes all the test cases. Yo, look at that, guys. Well, that's quite something. Yeah. Well, that's how you pass the sparse arrays. Yeah, it was a bit of a quick video, but I hope you guys found it helpful. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. Peace. Let me just stop here.